it's Explained Simply here, and today you will learn how to show the channels you subscribe to. For those that are new to my page, I'm Explained Simply, and I am doing videos on how one would create a YouTube channel from scratch, and today I am talking about channels. Right now I don't have anything in this section. I don't show any channels. I'm actually not even subscribed to any channels yet, so that would be the first thing to do. And if you have a channel in mind, that's great. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe to my son's YouTube channel, which is King Jimmy. So once you bring up the channel that you're interested in, you just have to hit the subscribe button. And now I'm subscribed. So then I'm going to go back to my channel. But as you can see, there's still nothing here even though I subscribed. And that's because YouTube as a default keeps everything private. So if you want to support the channels that you're subscribing to on your page, what you need to do is go to settings. And then after you go to settings, you want to go to privacy, and then you will uncheck to keep all my subscriptions private. Now when you go back to your page, your channel, you will see who you're subscribed to, and that's how you do it. And that's it. Simple as that.
Wishing you a daisy day. Like and subscribe for more Explained Simply videos.